As of February 12, 2025, the international stage is buzzing with significant developments. In the United States, former President Trump's trade advisors are pushing for reciprocal tariffs, raising fears of a global trade war. Meanwhile, American schoolteacher Mark Fogel has been released from Russian detention, part of a broader prisoner exchange with Russian national Alexander Vinnik. Over in the Middle East, the Israeli military is calling up reservists amid rising tensions in Gaza, while Syria's interim foreign minister has criticized the ties between Russia and Iran as an open wound. In Europe, Austria's political landscape is in turmoil after coalition talks led by the far right collapsed, and Switzerland is contemplating a shift in its arms export policy, challenging its long-standing neutrality. In Africa, a Catholic delegation from Congo is engaging with rebel leader Corneille Nangaa, potentially reshaping peace negotiations, while South Africa faces hurdles in its quest for a more influential role in the G20 due to U.S. policies. In Asia, the Kumbh Mela festival saw 10 million Indians partake in a holy dip, a remarkable display of faith, and in Russia's Far East, over 100 fishermen were rescued from an ice floe, highlighting the perils of winter fishing. Lastly, the WHO's Director General has emphasized that U.S. actions significantly impact global health, reminding us of the interconnectedness of our health policies. The world is certainly in a state of flux, and these stories are just the tip of the iceberg.